What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about something really cool. I want to reveal my 4 passive income streams that have made me an average of $14,000 per month for the past about a year and a half. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you the ability to get access to the same system that I've used to make this $14,000 per month passively. So let me give you guys a little backstory real quickly. So back in, I believe it was November 2018, you see here, you can see that I uploaded my first episode of this holiday case study because I wanted to find out if this new system known as FunnelX ROI, that's what you're seeing here, actually works. And essentially what it was is it was like a 5 income stream system to where as an affiliate, you get one link and you share that one link out there on the internet, and then people come in, your prospects, and they sign up for these multiple income streams. Well, I was a little skeptical because I figured, yeah, people might sign up, but they're not going to sign up and pay for all these different income streams. Like, are you out of your mind? Because I was so used to promoting one single product and earning commission off of that one single income stream. So I thought it was too much for people to have these multiple income streams where they would have to buy one product and then buy another and then buy another and then buy another. Like, I just figured it would just be a huge upsell system. But I was like, okay, let's start with this case study video. Let's shoot an email out to the list. Let's upload a video on YouTube and kind of document my journey of me kind of promoting the system and see how it works out. Well, it was pretty incredible, the results. I made like $95,000 in about 100 days. And, this was like my primary system that I was promoting pretty much all of the half end of 2018 and all of 2019. And since then, it's continued to make me money. And today, I've done over $244,000 or $224,000 in commissions. And that's been equivalent to about $14,000 per month since November of 2018. So what I want to do is I want to dive into the 4 income streams, and then we're going to talk a little bit more about this system because it's no longer called the FunnelX ROI system. That system's still out there. But what David has done, the creator of the system, is he's taken the concepts and the ideas that worked so well with this system, as well as feedback from affiliates like myself, and he's created a brand new system out of that. So we're going to talk about the brand new system at the end of this video, but I want to talk about the 4 different income streams within this original FunnelX ROI system. So the first income stream was known as Easy One Up, and you can see I did $183,225 just within this income stream. And this was primarily without promoting any of these programs directly. So typically, if you're doing like YouTube marketing or Facebook marketing, you're typically promoting, or even email marketing, you're typically promoting one product at a time. So all your effort is going towards that one product to make the most money that you can with that one product. So what's really cool about, FunnelX ROI is the fact that you can actually promote one link. And when you promote that one link, people will automatically go through a systematic process where they sign up for income streams like Easy One Up and the rest of the income streams, and you're able to earn off of all those income streams with that one single link, right? So that one single link has allowed me in this first income stream that people come in contact with $183,225, right? So the second income stream is known as FunnelX Advanced, which is like a pay per lead system where people sign up, they get education. They also are able to refer people to this education and get paid per lead. So they're not having to make a sell to make money. Okay, now people can have the opportunity to purchase the different products like the builder, the super affiliate level, and the leader level within the program, which you'll also earn commissions off of that. So just with this income stream, again, not promoting FunnelX Advanced separately, not creating a separate video on my YouTube channel or on a blog about it, but just by promoting that one link, them signing up for Easy One Up, and then signing up for FunnelX Advanced, $11,102 without any extra effort whatsoever. So again, if I was just promoting Easy One Up primarily, and a system just promoted that one product, cool, a cool $183,000. But the fact that there's multiple income streams within the system, an extra $11,000 is pretty awesome. So that's the second income stream. The third income stream is known as ROI Panel, which I've been paid out over $27,000 on just a mundane tracking tool. That's all this is. This tool that you can relicense, just like relicensing like a ClickFunnels or a ClickMagick. It's much like ClickMagick in a sense where ROI Panel will track where your sales are coming from. For example, let's say you're marketing on Facebook and YouTube, you're marketing through your email list, all simultaneously, and you're promoting one product. Well, don't you want to find out where your time is best spent? Like what traffic source is converting the best? And without a tool like ROI Panel, you can't figure that out. So a lot of times you'll be doing marketing strategies that just don't flat out work. ROI Panel allows you to find out where your marketing efforts are giving the biggest ROI. So the fourth income stream is known as Udemy. And this is a website where people can actually go and purchase what's called solo ad traffic. So solo ad traffic essentially gives people the ability to rent out an email list from a provider. And this provider has built up this email list over time and passes those email addresses in a certain niche onto people like yourself that's looking to get traffic to your offers and to your websites. Now, typically traffic can be difficult to get if you're going out there and you're, not experienced on YouTube, you're having to create YouTube videos, maybe you're not savvy with Facebook ads. With a click of a button, you can actually purchase traffic from vendors on udemy.com that will send you traffic, leads, and sales instantly. So it solves that problem for people that really don't want to spend time learning the tech stuff, the ins and the outs of platforms like Facebook advertising, YouTube paid advertising, Google AdWords, and even having to spend the time building up free organic traffic. So I've been able to not only use Udemy, but promote Udemy to other people that are looking to get traffic and earn nearly $3,000, as you can see right here. So those four income streams, if you add up all the numbers combined, has yielded me a $224,000 income stream in roughly a year and a half, which is all passive income, which is roughly $14,000 per month. So my question is, how would you like to plug in to all these income streams? What my business partner David has done has taken FunnelX ROI and really taken it to the next level and made it even better and more simple with the new online affiliate marketer. And all you need to do is sign up. There's going to be a link below this video. You can go ahead and sign up. You can sign up for each of these income streams that I talked about within this video. And all you need to do is click the links here, sign up, create an account, then enter your affiliate username in each of these boxes respectively, and then simply promote, and you're done. It's that simple. There's even an extra income stream number 5 right here. So they've even added an extra income stream so you can maximize your profits that much more. And then you're able to just promote this one link at the top. Of course, your link is going to be a little bit different than my link right here, but you'll share that. David will actually show you how to share that across your social media platforms and even give you access to all of his traffic sources. So if you want access to this, all you need to do is click the link below. And I'm excited to run with this. I'll be updating you guys with my results. So far, just within the past couple days, I've already done over $4,000 in commissions with Profit Passport. So it's really taking FunnelX ROI and putting it on steroids. So if you want to get access to this same system, all you need to do is click the link below, and we will see you on the other side.